Hi, my name's Ashur Matthew Joseph. Today I'll be comparing Petrobras and Rosneft as investment securities. With that said, both Petrobras and Rosneft are integrated gas and oil companies, with the former heavily investing in biofuels and the latter heavily investing in hydrocarbons. Both have a global presence, but Petrobras is focused in South America while Rosneft is focused in Russia. Onto the relative wealth chart. Both companies have recently produced CFROI levels below their discount rate in a mature pattern of the corporate life cycle. However, cash flows are set to increase, with Petrobras' cash flow growth rate increasing, although the market implied CFROI disagrees, whilst Rosneft's is flat, although once again the market implied CFROI favourably disagrees. Petrobras' asset growth was below the normalized growth rate, likely due to management changing strategy to retain positive CFROI levels relative to the discount rate. However, this was not successful as reflected by recent shareholder returns. Asset growth is forecasted flat above the current normalized growth rate. This, combined with increasing cash flow forecasts, acts as a tailwind for the stock price, as indicated by recent shareholder returns and the 62% upside warranted price. Rosneft's asset growth has been above its normalized growth rate, but management has failed to create returns above the discount rate. The 19% downside in the warranted price is due to decreasing asset growth, acting as a headwind to the stock price. Onto the scorecard. A key factor to consider when making an investment decision is the risk to reward. Petrobras' beta is significantly higher than Rosneft, scoring lower in the risk department. Rosneft offers a superior price to earnings ratio, whilst also being more generous towards investors in terms of its dividend yield. This gives Rosneft an advantage in the valuation scorecard. To conclude, Petrobras is suited to an investor with more of a risk appetite, but likely to gain more upside with the increasing forecasted cash flows. Rosneft, however, is suited to an investor with more of a conservative approach to investing, looking for stable returns with management strategy aimed at providing investors with dividends as opposed to asset growth. My name is Ashur Matthew Joseph. Thank you for listening.